Enterprise identifies transformation opportunities, from either business problems from day-to-day operations, or various industry events. The first demo shows how a business manager identifies a problem and explores the transformation opportunity. Does your business analytics provide enough insight to understand why it happened and how it should be addressed? Digital Brain connects meaningful corporate knowledge to the operational data, taking you to the next level of knowledge work. Rachel is a national distribution manager in the U.S. market. She found both sales and profit decreased in the past 3 months. She needed to find a way to protect the margin. Rachel had a gut feeling of why it happened and how it should be addressed. She talked to other stakeholders, such as purchasing, supply chain, logistics, sales, marketing, and finance. Then she realized that everyone had different versions of understanding. Digital Brain simplifies this process for timely decision-making by connecting meaningful business knowledge to the analytics in real time. Rachel identified the significant sales gap between plan and actuals in September. Here, the orange bar represents the planned sales, while the blue shows the actual vehicles sold. When looking at the profit margin, she can clearly see the gap has already started since July. She selects the time period that she wants to further investigate. This pie chart explains, cars and minivans is one of the main problem children for this profit loss. She can narrow down the target here and identify that the sedan Model 1 is the biggest contributor. However, this does not explain why it happened. Rachel calls Digital Brain for contextual knowledge to better understand the business problem. Here, Rachel can see the current end-to-end supply chain process, specifically for the sedan Model 1. It is manufactured from the Japan plant and imported via the Long Beach Port 1. She drills down to the process and reviews the most relevant pain points that were reported from the fields. Rachel gets to know that vehicles were often delivered differently from sales orders. She knows this will lead to lower sales, higher incentives payout, or even buyback. Here, she can also understand what business goals are impacted and how other business areas are affected by this pain point. Going back to the pain points view via the breadcrumb, she can create a link here and share the exact view with the Port 1 sourcing manager, asking for a meeting. In the meeting, they get to know the Port 1 facility is not capable of handling those vehicles. Here, they can check all the available supply chains in North America and quickly agree to utilize another supply chain as a short-term solution. At the same time, they decide to request a transformation project to fundamentally address the profit-loss problem. Here, they can see the currently planned projects in this supply chain and find the right project owner to discuss their project needs. Our symbolic AI solution, Digital Brain, seamlessly facilitates critical transformation knowledge across employees and IT applications. This will simplify the end-to-end continuous transformation process, making your success repetitive.